Good morning, everyone. This herpetology tub system that I created out of plastic storage looked like a great idea, but unfortunately it did not work. And let me show you why. When you pull out a drawer, there's no floor. So the snake underneath it has an easy access to escape. So only when everything is fully closed is there no separation. So my little Kingsnake, which I housed up here just for the moment, was easily able to escape just by a small little empty space here. And now he can crawl up and hide in there, and I would never know. So this didn't really work out. Fortunately, it was very cheap. All the aspen is good to be used again. Of course, the thermostat can be used anytime. And the heat tape can just be removed and used anytime I want also. So it's a learning experience. Now what I've done to replace this is I bought Animal Plastics rack system, which hasn't arrived yet, but these are the tubs that I'll be using for the hatchlings. They're basically just shoe boxes. So just drill some holes on the sides and the back. For now, I'm going to put the lid on top to keep them all enclosed. But when the rack arrives, it'll be just like the tub system. It'll just push on in and push on out. Except this time it's going to have a floor and a ceiling, so there's no more escaping. But for the moment, it's just waiting for my rack system to arrive. And eventually, I'll have it set up for the hatchlings. Now, the way I bought it is that it can hold up to 9 hatchlings. So later, I'll buy a second one that'll house another 9. If I remember correctly, king snakes usually have a clutch of maybe 18 to 20. So every year, I should be able to fill up the whole rack system and then sell them, which means I'll need another rack system for the adults. But that's in the future. It'll take a couple of years for me to even reach the breeding seasons. So that means I have about a year to get another system just for the adults. Plenty of time. Anyway, it's keeping you all in the loop. My first mistake, but no damage. So far, this is fun. I'm enjoying myself, and we'll see what happens next. Thank you all.